Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is thread your needle and make sure that you have a little knot in the end. It just makes it easier. Okay, and you're going to want to put your fabric inside of your embroidery hoop. Now probably you'll need a bigger one than this one, but this is just for the sake of this video. Also, you're going to want to have whoever's name you're going to be embroidering, you want them to either sign or write their name onto the tablecloth, and then you're going to begin to do like a straight stitch, and this is how I do it. It seems easiest for me to go from right to left, so that's what I'll do. And so I'm right in the top of the D, and so I'm going to pull it all the way, and then I'll just follow the lines, and then I'll just kind of stitch it just like a straight stitch. See how that is? And then I'll put the needle in right next to the stitch I just made, and then have it come out somewhere on this next line. So it seems so hard to see, but let me see if I can get a little closer. Okay, so now I'm going to go next to that. Try to come out on somewhere on the line on the D. And you see how it's kind of just going along the writing.